This presentation is an analysis of A. E. Housman's poems, Loveliest of Trees and To an Athlete Dying Young. Analysis of Loveliest of Trees. A. E. Housman's poem, Loveliest of Trees, is composed of 3 quatrains or 4-line stanzas. The poem is a beautiful description of a cherry blossom tree in full bloom, which looks like it is dressed up for Easter. A score is 20 years. Therefore, in stanza 1, he says that if he lives the average life expectancy, 70 or 70 years, he only has 50 years left to enjoy nature's beauty, such as the cherry blossoms that look in spring to be hung with snow. The poem has a carpe diem theme, encouraging the reader to enjoy every beauty in life we can because life is short. The speaker parallels his own life with that of the tree. It is spring, and he is in the spring of his life as a 20-year-old. The poem is somewhat sad since it reminds us that life is short. Analysis of To an Athlete Dying Young. This poem is more than just a carpe diem poem in that it gives atypical advice about death. It praises dying young at the height of one's fame and glory because in doing so one doesn't ever have to age. Thus, one does not outlive his or her fame. In the poem, the speaker addresses the athlete who has died at a young age. In the first stanza, the hero is brought in on everyone's shoulders, a victor for winning a race. And the second time he is lifted up is in his coffin for his funeral. The second stanza alludes to Roman times when laurel wreaths represented fame. In the third and fourth stanza, he says the athlete will not have to see his record taken since he is dead, calling him a smart lad who cannot see the record cut. Thus, he won't have to worry about his name dying before he does. In the fifth stanza, he tells him he will always be remembered as young, handsome, and victorious, not like the lads that wore their honors out, runners whom renown outran, and the name died before the man, who outlived their fame. In the last stanza, he tells the athlete he doesn't have to worry about outliving his laurels that last shorter than a girl's youth.